Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And before I even start, a very happy Diwali to everyone from my end and from the entire team of Oliveboard. So again, I wish you all the very best. Naresh, hi, how are you? Very good evening. And again, very happy Diwali to everybody. Before we even start with our class today. Now, I know it's Diwali, but still, I'm taking a class. But again, just the mock analysis will hardly take 40-50 minutes max. Then that's all. That's all. Thoda pad lete, then definitely we'll have ample time to celebrate, right? Chal, with that in mind, first question is right in front of us. This is the live mock analysis of last weekend's mock. So, first question. A courier cycles 1.5 kilometer in 5 meter per second speed is given, rests for y minutes, then rides for this with this speed. Okay, a messenger starts 15 minutes after the courier from the same start point and travels at this much speed to catch up. They meet exactly after 60 minutes after the courier had begun. Okay, acha, that means they are asking find the values of x and y. They are asking you to find the values of x and y. Why this is getting okay? Now, how to solve, sir? Sir, definitely from the options, x is in kilometers, and from the question itself, you can see the x kilometers. So let's figure that out, because I can see from the options all the values for x is different. So if I only can figure out the values of x, I don't even need to calculate y, because from there only I can mark my answer. That's the best thing. Chalo wahi karenge. Now, courier has gone or traveled for 60 minutes. And so definitely the messenger will travel for how many minutes? Sir, 15 minutes after, meaning messenger will travel for 45 minutes. Sir, how much distance will the messenger go in 45 minutes? Because I know the speed of the messenger, 30 kilometer per hour. So 30 speed into 45, but again I have to convert this into hours. So this is 2, meaning sir 22.5 kilometers, sir. 45 divided by 2. Now, now again, sir, let's see how much distance, what will be the value for x. So again, if in order to, if they have started from the same point and the messenger, so let's say this is the starting point. So courier in let's say in 60 minutes have reached here. So in order for the messenger to catch the courier, they are starting from the same point. So messenger also needs to travel the same distance. So distance will be same, sir. Distance will remain the same for both. Now let's figure that out. So courier has gone 1.5 kilometers here, x kilometers here, and definitely that's all. That's all, sir. So that means what will be the value of x? 22.5 minus sir 1.5, which is 21 kilometer. That's all my answer. So option number A, that is x equal to 21. That's my answer. I do not need to do anything else. Just this much was this question. Again, I will not even check for y. Y check bhi nahi karna. Again, if you need y, if you want to figure out y is about minutes. So just calculate again. Just calculate the time. You will get to your answer. Next one, sir. Next one. An ice cream cone consists of a sphere of chocolate ice cream and a right circular cone that has the same diameter. Okay, so we all know, sir. So this is how this looks. So this is the cone, but again, this is not the hemisphere. They are saying this is the entire sphere here. Like the whole sphere is here, right? Now, if the ice cream melts, it will exactly fill the cone, sir. So when the ice cream melts, this will fill the whole cone, right? Now, assume that the melted ice cream occupies 50% of the volume of the frozen ice cream. Okay, what is the ratio of the cone's height to its radius? Now, they have said ice cream cone, right? That is same diameter. Diameter same means radius is also same, sir. Meaning R is same. Meaning R is same for both the sphere and the cone. So volume को equal कर दो. not equal, but again half, because 50% they have told us. Sir, what is the like volume of the frozen ice cream? 4/3 of pi into r cube. Now again, when it melts, its volume will decrease by 50%, meaning its volume will remain the half. That is equal to the exactly the volume of the cone, 1/3 into pi r square into h. So just calculate. 3 gone, pi gone, r square r cube. So this is r. So this is also 2. They are asking cone's height to radius, meaning h by r. H divided by r will be 2 divided by 1. So the ratio will be 2:1, sir. So again, the answer is option number A. Option A is again the correct answer. Sai, very good evening. Naresh, clear, I hope. Very simple, not a very difficult, but again, the language is a little tricky, little uncommon. That's all I can say. Next one. Next one, sir. Coordinates of 3 collinear points PQR. Okay, they have given us. Achha, length of PQ is equal to. Array, sir. It's very simple. This is P, this is Q, this is R. They are collinear, meaning they lie on the same line. So they have given you this is 2, 4, 5 P, and this is -4, -6, -9. Now this is, if PQ is equal to QR, that means Q is the midpoint, sir. Midpoint means the coordinate will be nothing but the average. Sir, average le lo. So X, they are asking, I need X, Y, Z, everything. So X will be, sir, 2 minus 4 by 2, that is -1, sir. Y will be 4 minus 6, that is -2 by 2, that is -1, sir. Z will be 5 minus 9, that is -4 by 2 is -2. So they are asking what is the value of the sum of the squares. So -1 square is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. That's your answer, sir. Option number D here. Option number D here, sir. This is a CGL Tier 2 site. This is CGL Tier 2 mock, right? The live mock of last week. Now, next question, sir. What will be more profitable for the vendor, okay, giving 2 successive discounts of this and this or this and this? Chalo dekh lete hain. So 12 plus 15, 27 minus 15 12s are 180, meaning sir 1.8. So it will be 25.2, sir. This is the discount. Now again, second offer, sir. So 10 and 16, 26, sir. Minus 160 by 100, meaning 1.6. 24, right? 24.4%. 24.4%. Which one is better? Definitely for the shopkeeper or for the vendor here. For the vendor here, profitable will be this one because he is giving less discount here for the vendor's point of view. So definitely my answer will be either these two. So C and D cannot be the answer. But there is another part. Most profitable discounted price for the customer. Acha. Sir, you don't need to calculate for this. For the customer, which will be more profitable? Sir, where the discount is more? Because there I have to pay less. So definitely this one. This is better for customer. But acha, I have to do the calculation because I don't know. But again, this is the lower value, so this should be the answer. But again, let's check. We should like at least check once. We should at least check once. Sir, MP is given as 2,500 rupees. Now, the discount is 25.2%, meaning so 74.8% ka value I need. Now, don't calculate like this. Calculate for 75% itself. Baki hum kar lenge, sir. 75% means 3/4. So 2,500 into 3 by 4. So 1250, 625. 1,875. More than 1875, you see. I have taken the discount to be 25%. That's why I have taken 75% is the selling price or the price the customer is paying. I have taken the discount is this. But again, the actual discount is more than 25%, 25.2%, just more. So meaning actual selling price will be just less than 1875. So definitely 1870 matches my criteria. So option B is my correct answer. Option B is definitely my correct answer, sir. Perfect. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Now, simple interest. Simple interest, Ajay borrowed 18,000. Prashant is charging 20%. Ajay, Prashant includes the interest every 4 months. Okay, so the interest is not getting calculated yearly, but again, every 4 months, meaning every 1/3 of the year, 1/3 years, 3 times in the whole year. After 1 year, what will be the amount? After 1 year, acha sir. Sir, so 20%, it is the interest for the whole year. So 1/3 of the year, the rate of interest will be 20/3% of what? Of the principal. Principal is 18,000. Calculate karte hai, sir. So 20/300 into 18,000, sir. 0000 360s are this. So 1200 is the per 4 months. Every 4 months, the interest is 1200. Options. Array, sir. Let me explain this. You see, we don't need any more calculations. Acha. So again, it is saying simple interest, but the concept here is actually of CI, the compound interest, because every 4 months the principal will, like, the interest will get added to principal, right? But you see, we don't need to do this complicated calculation just by taking a glance at the options. Why? Because every 4 months, I'm getting 1200 rupees as interest. So in 1 year, I'll get 3 such interests. That means I'll get 3600 minimum plus something, sir. Plus some. Why? Because the extra interest for compounding, the interest on the extra interest. So my answer will be 3600. My answer will be greater than 3600. Check the option, sir. Sir, this cannot be, this cannot be, this cannot be. Only one option is greater than 3600. So that's my answer. Not everything needs to be calculated. So देखो हो गया, एक लाइन में बन गया. सर एक लाइन में बन गया सर. Perfect. Sir, this question, how to solve? How to solve this? How can we actually solve this? इसको, you see, if you try value putting here, it will be a mess. If you try value putting here, it will be definitely a mess. So again, I'll definitely suggest don't go for value putting. क्या करना है? What should you do? Sir, again, you see, 12C, 2A. 12C is here, 2A is here. The only thing they have kind of changed it. 2A has become 1/2A. But again, that's okay. 12C has become 1/12C has become 12C. So let's figure this out. So from here, I can write 1/12C. This is 1 minus 7B. So 12C, I'm just taking what? I'm just taking the reciprocal. 1 minus 7B. Keep it, sir. Similarly, from here, I need 2A. 2A is 1 minus 1/7B. So from here, I'm just writing it here. 1/2A will be what? This will be, let's calculate this a little bit. So this will become 7B here, 7B minus 1. So 1 by, when you do, it will become 7B will go up, and this will become 7B minus 1. So put this one and these two values in this. Put these two values in our, well, like question. 12C ke jagah, I'll put 1 by 1 minus 7B. And instead of 1/2A, I'll put this. So plus 7B by 7B minus 1. Achha, sir, do one thing. You see, this and this both are same. Just a minus 1 common you have to take. So if I do this, 1 by 1 minus 7B, and if I take a minus common, this will become minus, and it will become 1 minus 7B. Sir, Now the calculation is really simple. So the answer comes out to be 1. The answer comes out to be 1, which is option number E, which is there in option number A, sir. Done. Done, sir. Right? Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Everybody, I hope this is clear. 2n plus 5 men, sir, days. So total work equation you make. TW1 should be equal to TW2. So it is 2n plus 5. Number of men, meaning efficiency, into, sir, 40 days. This is equal to 11 men left the group. So number of men now, 2n plus 5 minus 11, meaning minus 6. They are taking 50 days. Sir, 4 twos are 8n plus 20. It is equal to 10n minus 30, sir. So 2n is equal to 50. So n becomes 25. I guess that was the question. Yes, value of n, option number A. Value of n they are asking, it is option number A. It was a very simple question. This was a very, very, very simple question. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? Chalo, next one. Quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral diagonal length array. Sir, this is the diagonal. Now, this is the diagonal length is 10 centimeters, sir. Now, the length of the perpendiculars from opposite vertices has been given. So, this has been given to you and this has been given to you. This is 3, this is 4, sir. Sir, how to find area? Find the area of this triangle, sir. Half into base into height. 10 is the base. Plus, find the area of this triangle, sir. Half into base is the same 10 into height, that is 4. Sir, you can calculate like this, or if you choose, no sir, I'll not do it like this. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, रुक जाओ. So half, you see, many people remember it as a formula. 3 plus 4, they remember it like a formula. So this is 5. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 7, 35, option B. Perfect, sir. Perfect. Simple. Chalo, next one. Compound interest 14%, 2 years, 6 months. Array. Sir, whenever you see this weird type of compound interest, now there are a couple of ways actually. You see, kya? Sir, if you go by AB theorem, you will say, sir, so 2 years के लिए, sir, first year 14%, second year 14%, third year only half a year, 6 months, that means 7%. So you use the AB theorem to get the effective interest. But again, as the value is 14, you will face a lot of issue in the calculation. Ye calculation will not be very simple, right? So what is the best method in these situations? In my batches, I've taught you almost 3-4 methods in total. And I've given you, sir, compound interest is a chapter where which method you need to use is completely dependent on the values given or the type of question that they are asking. It is not like there is this technique, it works everywhere, right? So best method will be for these situations is to go by the tree method. If you don't want to do this weird calculation, but again, many people are very comfortable doing this, do this, no worries. But again, I'll go with the tree method. Kaise sir? 50,000, 14%. So first year. So year 1, year 2, and year 3. Year 3 is not the complete year, but it's a half a year. Keep it in mind. Sir, 50,000. Sir, 14% of 50,000, 7,000. Correct, sir? 50,000, 14%, 7,000. So 7,000 will be here. But again, this is half a year. So it is not 7,000, but 3,500. Half of 7,000. Next year, sir. Second year, what will happen, sir? On this 7,000, I'll get an extra interest of 14%. 14% of this. Sir, 14 into 7 is 98. So 980 rupees. Here, Again here, sir. Sir, what extra in third year? अच्छा sorry, not 980. देखो गड़बड़ कर दिया था मैंने. 980 नहीं sir, half a year means 980 का half, that is 490 I'll get. Not the whole thing, because half a year, third year, keep that in mind. Now again, third year, what will happen, sir? On this 980 also I'll get an interest of 14%. So 980 into 14%. Achha, I'll not say 14%, let's do it with 7%, because half a year, so I'm directly writing 7%. 7 over 100, sir. Correct? So this is almost, you see it, 100 by 10. 100 by 10 almost. Again, my options, I'll figure that out. This will be 5 rupees difference, like not much. So it is almost, sir, 10. So it is almost 70, sir. I'm just taking it. Almost 70 rupees. So that's the total. That is the total, sir. Calculate 7, 7, 14, and this 14, 3, 17,500, 980, 49, meaning sir 49 into 3, 15 to 3 is sir 1500 say 30 less, 1470, and so 70. So this is 41, 0, 1, 18, 19,000 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. एक second, have I made an error? Have I made an error? रुक जाओ sir. 0, 14, 1, 0, 1. Have I made an error, sir? Because both the 19,000 options, sir, the 19,000 options. Just a second, just a second. Have I made any calculation mistake? This is almost 10 into 7 means almost 70. I have made an error. Arey, हाँ, sir. There is an error, sir. I have taken this 7,000 ka 490 rupees. I have not taken this, na. Sir, this will be into 2 because I'll get the interest. My mistake. I'll get the interest for both. My mistake. Extremely sorry. I'll get for first year also I'll get 490. For second year 7,000 also I'll get 490. So I have to add 490 rupees to my answer. My mistake, my mistake, my mistake. So it will be 19,530 rupees के आसपास. Just less than that. 19,530, just less than that. So 19,528. That's the answer. That is the answer, sir. My mistake. This 490 I have skipped. This 490 I had skipped. I've taken one 490. The second one I don't know why I had missed. Chalo, next one, sir. Area of a sector, length, arc length, radius, sir. Area is half into arc length into radius, sir. So the answer is 6. Sorry, 3 fours are 12. 12, 12, 12, sir, option D. Option D, sir. Again, CGL 2024 had a question exactly like this. Okay? CGL 2024 had a question exactly like this. So again, not very like out of date. It's very important. Acha, 18% this, sir. 18 to 6 से 2, this is 3. 3 2s are 6A minus 3B. That is 4B minus 6A. So 12A is equal to 7B, sir. So A by B, अरे यार. A by B comes out to be 7 by 12, sir. अरे यार. Correct? Now, A plus B is 838. Sir, A is 7 parts, B is 12 parts. Total is 19 parts, meaning one part is equal to 2. So A is 7 parts, meaning A is 14, this is 24. Sir, 5 into A, 5 14s are 70 minus 48, sir. 22 will be the answer, sir. Very simple, option number A once again. Option number A once again is your correct answer. You see, not very difficult. Moving on. Next one, sir. AB started a business with this. Okay. First of all, sir, 2 ratio sorry, 4, 3 ratio 2, sir. Sir, months are given. So profit sharing ratio will be 3 into X ratio 2 into X plus 2. This is for A and this is for B. Now, the business total profit is 33,000. Out of that, A is 3,000 more than B. Achha, sir. So this difference, 3x minus 2x, that is x minus of 2 into 2, 4, meaning x minus 4. Out of total profit, that is 5x plus 4. That is equal to 3,000 out of 33,000. That is total profit, sir. 0, 0, 0. This is, sir, 11. Calculate kar do, sir. So 11x minus 44 is equal to 5x plus 4. So that is 11 minus 5 is 6x equal to 48, sir. X equal to 8, sir. They are asking the value of x. X is 8 months, option B. X is 8 months, which is option B, sir. You see, not very difficult either. Sir, X is added, numbers are in proportion. So there are two ways. You can do it normally or soch ke. Let's do normally first. Sir, 4 plus X. So 25 plus X. They are in proportion. So 10 plus X. 49 plus X. Sir, socho thoda. Now you can multiply and stuff. You can do multiply and stuff. Or you can just put values and check, sir. So let's start with 1. 1 put karenge to 5 by 26 and so 11. So think like this. This is 5 and this is 11. It's not matching, no multiple. If I put 2, 6 and this is 12, it can be. So let's check it. But again, 27 answer 51. So it is giving you 6 by 27. 3 2s, 3 9s. Answer 12 by, sir, 51. So 3 4s, 3 19s. Sorry, 3 17s. Right? So it's not matching. Put 3, sir. 4 plus 3, 7. This is 10 plus 3, 13. अच्छा आंसर 3 से बैठाएंगे तो 28. Answer this is 13 means 52. You see, this is matching. 7 1/4, 13 fours 1/4. So just without solving, I can say x is 3. Sir. Now again, you can put multiple. I've just shown you one. Normal equation method is there. You can go by ratio as well if you want. Ratio का technique देखना है. Ratio you can think like this. 4 by 25. Right? Answer. अच्छा एक काम करो. Ratio, I have to explain the whole thing. Let's complete the question first. एक normal वाला. Third proportion of y and x is 12. X is now 3. So y and x, the third proportion is this. So meaning, sir, y, x is 3 and there is a third proportion. Let's say p. Right? So what will that be? So 9. 3 square is equal to p into y. Now p is what? P is given actually. P is like said to be 12. So p is 12, sir. So y will be 9 over 12. 3 3s, 3 4s. 3/4 is the answer, sir. 3 by 4 option number D is the answer. 3 by 4 option number D is the answer. Perfect, sir. Chal. Next one. Two machines M1, M2 produces 70%, 2% defect rate. 30%, 5% found defective. अरे sir, ये तो बहुत simple है. Sir, let's say there are 100 items. So from there, M1 produces something. M1 produces 70. M2 produces 30, sir. That is given 70%, 30%. 2% defect rate. So defective out of 70, 7 2s are 14, meaning 1.4 are defective. Out of this 35%, 5 3s are 15, so 1.5 defective. Now they are asking a random item is found to be defective. What is the probability that it is from M2? So if I take the random item, so there are total defectives are 1.4 plus 1.5, total 2.9 defective. Out of that, M2 से आया क्या? How, like what is the probability? Sir, 1.5. Calculate 15 by 29 array, sir, percentage. Percentage means into 100, sir. 15 by 29. You see, if it was 15 by 30, then I would have given 50%. 29 is slightly less than 30, meaning my answer will be just greater than 50%. Options check karo sir. Sir, there are two options. I have to do it because very, very close. So we have to do it, brothers. So what you do? 29 divided by 1500, right? 29 fives are this. So 29 into 5 is sir 145, I guess, right? 50 na 29 3 is that 52. Acha, 51, sorry, because 52 29 into 2 is greater than 50, so 51 point something. So that means the only possible answer is option B. Only possible answer here is option B, sir. Done. Moving on, sir. Perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular का क्या है sir? Slope multiplication should be -1. M1 into M2 should be -1, or you can see one slope should be negative reciprocal of the other slope. So slope निकालो. Sir, first things first. If you find the slope, how to find the slope? Slope is negative of x coefficient by y coefficient. That's the best way of finding slope. Sir, x coefficient is, so here m is -2 divided by y coefficient is 1. So it is -2. Next one, sir. This is x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is -half, sir. Minus minus cancels, it is 2, sir. Third one, sir. X coefficient is 1 by y coefficient is minus. So this is half. So these two will be slope. These two are perpendicular. But again, if you want to check, ये भी check कर लो थोड़ा, sir. This is m equal to, sir, -4 by minus of 2. This is also 2. But again, line 1 and line 3, option C is the answer. Option 1 and line 1 and line 3, they are perpendicular. You see, negative reciprocal. That's done. Another short way I've told you always that you can follow. Remember, if there is any straight line ax plus by equal to c, the perpendicular line ka equation is always bx minus ay equal to some other constant k. You can check from here as well using that directly. Okay? But again, chalo, moving on. Cricket ball. 400 realized a loss of n%. Okay. 500 real profit of 2n%. Value of n. So it's very simple. 400 rupees. It is equivalent to loss of n% means it is 100 minus n. Correct? Loss of n% means we all loss of 10%, meaning 100 minus 10, meaning 90%. And if I take 500, that compares to profit of 2n%, meaning 100 plus 2n. So take ratio, sir. They are in proportion. So this is 4 by 5. Multiply, sir. Sir, 400 plus 4 2s are 8n equal to 500 minus 5n. So 8 5 13n is equal to 100. N is 100 by 7.69% होता है, meaning 7.69. Option is 7.7% है, option D. That's your answer, sir. That's your answer. Very quickly we can do it, sir. Again, two solid hemispheres, these two form a metallic cone. Height of the cone. Array, sir. Sir, again, melted and recasted, meaning, sir, what? That means volume is same. Sir, volume of two hemispheres, 2 by 3 into pi into r cube. R cube means 6 cube plus 4 cube. That is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 12 square into h. चलो calculate करते, pi by 3, 3 pi gone, 2. This is, sir, 72, 144 by this. So h will be 216 and so 64, 0, 27, 28. 280 divided by 72. Sir, 4, 4, 4 18s, 4 70s. 2 say, sir, 35, 2 say 9. So just less than 4. Just less than 4. in between 3.5 and 4.5. Option D again is the answer. Option D once again is the correct answer. Simple questions. Very, very, very simple question, right? Chalo, next one, sir. Next one, next one, next one. Four pieces in the form of a square of quarter of circle are cut from four corners of a square sheet. Achha. It's like that. It's a square sheet. So they have cut like this. They have made cuts like this. Achha sir, 1/4 of a circle, 1/4 of a circle, 1/4 of a circle, 1/4 of a circle. Meaning it's a total circle. 4 1/4 mean 1. So radius is 3. So remaining sheet ka area batao sir. So a side is 8. So total area of the square sheet is 8 squared 64 minus 22/7. Acha, they have given you in pi. So again, I'll not put value of pi. Pi is sir pi into, this is 3 square pi r square. So my answer will be 64 minus 9 pi, because 64 is the total minus, this is the 4 1/4 means one circle, that is pi r square. Done. So again 64 minus 9 pi, which is there in option number B, which is there in option number B, sir. Khatam. Chalo, 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 next one. Triangular pyramid volume. Sir, pyramid volume is 1/3 because it's not a symmetrical figure. 1/3 into base area, area of the base into height, sir. So let's put down the values. 1/3 into height is 8, and sir base area is right angle triangle, sir. Right angle triangle mean half into 9 into 10. Khatam, sir. 2 3 3 3s are this, 2 4s are this. 120 is the answer, sir. 120 is definitely the answer. Another thing, sir. Let me just say. But again, I should not say this. I was about to say 8 ka multiple check karo. But again, that's we should not say. Why? Because this value might be coming as a fraction by 2, by 3 something. So that might cancel. So it can be a 4 multiple as well. It can be like by 4 meanings a 2 multiple as well. And there are a couple of a couple more answers which are also 2 multiples. No, shortcut nahi वैसे you should use. Sir, now Rehan's 6-day work. Next one, time and work question, sir. 6 day of Rehan is equal to Simon's 4 day of work. 3 2, meaning Rehan ratios like this. Simon, Rehan is 2, Simon is 3, sir. Now again, Simon's efficiency to Trevor's efficiency is 3:2. Array, sahi hai? Because 3 3 it is matching. So you will say, sir, Trevor is 2. So 2 3 2, that's the efficiency ratio. Now let's start with the story. Simon and Trevor work for 5 days. Simon and Trevor, they are doing 5 units every day. So 5 days may they will do 5 into 5, 25 units. Right? Now, second, sir. Trevor stops. Trevor is gone. Rehan joins Simon. Rehan and Simon is now doing. Again, the same 5 units for the next 4 days. So they will complete 5 into 4, 20 units. Again, sir. Then Simon also leaves. Rehan alone finishes in the last 6 days. So 6 days, Rehan does 2 units a day. So he will do 6 2s are 12 units. So total work is 25, 20, 45, 57 units. Now they are saying how many days Simon alone will finish the work? This much, and Simon alone does 3 units a day. So the answer will be 19 days. The answer alone will be 19 days, which is option number B. Which is option number B, sir. Not difficult. Just go with whatever the story. Sir, next one. A, B, A, C are two tangents. BD is the diameter which is produced. E is the point, circle. Acha, AC. Okay, okay, okay. Let's say, ठीक है सर, थोड़ा सही नहीं हुआ. Okay. Now they have told, sir, A, acha, B, C, acha, E is the point where AC touches. Acha, let's say this is C, so this is E, sir, and AB is the tangent, so this is B. Okay, language is not really very clear. Acha, BD is the diameter. Okay, this is this. So BD is the diameter D. And said this is produced me. एक second, the diameter of the circle which is produced to meet C and E. Meet at C होना चाहिए. I guess this is C. I guess this will be C, sir. थोड़ा language is not right. The language is not 100% right. AB and AC are two tangents to the circle. BD is the diameter to the circle. Okay, so this goes through center, which is produced to meet C. I guess this will be C. ये लिखना चाहिए था सही से. Otherwise, it is invalid. Okay, this is C, sir. ठीक है. This AC, EC is given as 35. This is 35. BD is 24. 24 meaning the radius is 12. AE ka length they are asking this length. Acha, this length and this length will be same. AE and AB both are X. Both are X. एक second. Just a second, sir. Something is not right. अच्छा चलो check तो करते हैं. The language, there is some problem. अच्छा sir, let's join this. So this is always 90 degree. So again, diameter is 24. So radius is 12, meaning if I say this is, oh, this is 12, sir. So this is 12. This is 35. So this must be 37, sir. By using Pythagorean triplets. OC. OC is 37, sir. Right? एक सेकंड चेक कर लेते हैं, रुक जाओ. एक सेकंड सर चेक कर लेते हैं. Yes. चलो हो जाएगा. So this is also 90 degree by the same logic because tangent and normal. Take this triangle, sir. Triangle ABC, the biggest triangle that you guys can see. So this is X. This is X plus 35. And you see, I can say X is square, the base plus this. Sir, BD is, or I can say BO is 12, sir, because radius plus this much is 37. So this BC is 12 plus 37 whole square. That should be equal to this AC square. AC square is X plus 35 square. Achha, do one thing. Take this X square to this side. So it will give me A square minus B square formula. So I'll have 35 into 2x plus 35. That is equal to 37 plus 12 is 49. Square means 49 into 49. 7, 7, 7 5s. So 2x or other 10x कर देते. 10x plus 35, 70, 140, 147, 175. It is equal to 49 into 7. 49. So 350 minus 7, sir. 343. अच्छा 7 क्यू भी था ना, अरे क्या ही. So 343 minus 178, meaning sir 621, 168. So X is 16.8, sir. That was the question. 16.8 option number B. Babri. But again, sir, this language was not up to the mark. There is a little issue in this question. Okay, the language should be much more clear. ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ वाला language था, sir. Not exactly 100% clear. Again, a very innovative question, as I can see. चलो देखते हैं वही वाला. What is the area of trapezium PMTS? अच्छा, this trapezium का area they have given you. अच्छा, I'll just zoom it, okay? That's why I just read the question up front. चलो, PQ is 13. Okay, sir. QR, meaning the whole thing, is 14. And this is 15, sir. PM is an altitude on this. So this is 90 degree. ST is also perpendicular, 90 degree. Also ST, नहीं पढ़ा हमने. अच्छा, divides PQR into two equal areas. What is the area of this? Okay, chalo. I have to write it once more, but again, chalo. So this is 13, 14, 15. And also given this thing divides the whole triangle into two equal areas. So whatever is the area for PQTS, the same is the area for triangle STR. चलो समझते हैं इसको सर. And they are asking us to find this area, sir. This area they are asking us to find. ठीक है? अच्छा, how to figure out the area, sir, of the whole triangle? Sir, it's very simple because I know all three sides. I can use the Heron's formula. Sir, S, the semi-perimeter will be, sir, this is 14 into 3 divided by 2, sir. So that is 21. So area of this triangle will be 21 into 21 minus 14, that is 7. This is 8, this is 6. 7 and this 7 is out, 3 is out, 16, 4 is out. So this is this. 12, sir, 84 centimeter square. Acha. This is 84 centimeter square that has been given to us. Now. 84 centimeter square that we know. That means this part is 42 centimeter square and this part will be 42 centimeter square. Half of. Because that has been given to us. That has been given to us. Ritik, we have, you know, like if you are doing our classes, go to in the description you will find a rank, like link to free rank predictor app that has been created in-house by us. Rather than me or any other faculty saying it, that's based on AI. So just brother, go into that app, you put your answer key link, you will get a detailed comparison based on thousands of data. Okay, in the description or in our website, just if you don't find it, just Google Oliveboard rank predictor for CGL. So just Google it, you will find it. Okay, otherwise just wait, let me complete, I'll give you the link. Perfect. अच्छा, चलो हम कहा थे, PMTS का ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया, राइट? चलो लेट्स फिगर दैट आउट. वो फिगर आउट करते हैं सर, इसको फिगर आउट करते हैं. अच्छा सर, व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ PM, सर? हाउ टू फिगर दैट आउट? देखो वो बहुत इजी है. हाफ इनटू PM is the height of this entire the big triangle into base is 14, sir, that is QR, that is given as 84. So you will say ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. So 7 12, so PM is 12, sir. PM is 12. हो गया sir. So PM is 12. Now 12 13 meaning, sir, QM must be 5. Total is 14. That means this whole thing must be 9, sir. Right? Now again, if this is 9, अच्छा एक काम कर लेते हैं. This is 5. This is 5 ना. एक सेकेंड. अच्छा, इन दैट केस एक काम करो, आई डोंट नीड दिस, ये सब नहीं चाहिए. 9 5 वी डोंट नीड, सर. ये एरिया डायरेक्टली निकल जाए बिकॉज दिस टोटल थिंग, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, PQTS, द होल एरिया इज 42 minus what is the area of this triangle? Sir, area I can find now very easily. Half into base is 5 and height is 12, sir. So if you do that, 5 6 are 30. So this is the area. This is the area. So your answer is coming out as 12. because total is 42. This whole, the smaller triangle is 30. So the area of the remaining part, that is this trapezium, it has to be 12, sir. Okay, it has to be 12. But again, a very good question. Again, a very good question. This week's questions seems very good. Seems very good actually. But here question tha, sir. It was a very good question. Perfect. Chalo. The angle of elevation from the top of a pole. Sorry, we said similar question. Top of a pole to the top of a tower is 45. So this is 45 degree. This is the pole. This is the tower. Angle of depression from the top of the pole to the foot of the tower. This 30 meaning so this is 30. Height of the pole is 30. So this is 30. This is 30 means this is also 30. Height of the tower meaning sir ultimately I need this particular length. कैसे आएगा? Sir, if this is 30, opposite is 1 unit, this is root 3 units. So 1 unit is 30, root 3 units will be 30 root 3. If this is 30 root 3, then this is also 30 root 3. 45 degree means these two are equal. If this is 30 root 3, then this is also 30 root 3. Tower ka length will be 30 root 3 plus 30, sir. So which is option number B, sir? You see 30 common, root 3 plus 1. That is given to you. That is actually given to us. You see, it's a very common question. We do this every day. Sir, variance nikalo. Let me have a just sip of water. Variance. Again, a little on the calculative side, at least looking at the options. Sir, I need the mean first. In order to find variance, I need to figure out the mean, that is x bar. Sir, this is 18. 18 and 22, that is 40. 40 and sir 29, 69, sir. By 5. Meaning, sir, 138 by 10. Meaning 13.8. Correct? Now, variance, sir, 13.8 minus 7. Are baapre. Sir, don't do this. Ruk jao. Don't convert. ऐसे रखो. Because if you convert, na, the calculation will be very big. Keep it like this. There also the calculation will be big. Sir, 7. 7 means 35 by 5. So this is 34 divided by 5. The difference square. Acha. 1156 divided by 25. ठीक है? 1156 by 25, sir. Plus, what about the other one? 11. 11 means 55 by 5. So 69 means 14 by 5, meaning 196 by 25. Plus 13. 13 means 65 by 5, so 16 by 5, 25. 16. 16 means 80 by 5. 80 means 11. So 121 by 25. Plus 22. 22 means 110 by 5. So 70, 40, 41. 41 square by 25. 41 square कितना होता है sir? So 9 less meaning 81 and sir 25 minus 9 that is 16. 1681. 1681. Okay. So if you do 25, baapre, 16811156 196121 and sir 16. 18 and 2 sir 20. 2. 8 and 2 10. 15. 15 so 24. 25. 27. 2. 6 to 8 9 10 11. 1 3. 31 3170 by this. So again into 4 into 4. Calculate karo sir. 12,000 3 fours are 12,000. 1768. 68. 680. 12,680. 680 by sir, it is 100. I'm getting something wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं हम. I'm getting something wrong, right? Something, some calculation mistake I have done. 100%. रुक जाओ sir. 69 by 5, hopefully that's correct. 1156. मैंने कैल 2700. 31. 31, 31, 31. No, hopefully I'm not getting anything wrong. Hopefully it is correct. Right? So we are getting 126.8. अभी किसका square will be this out of this? But options में तो नहीं sir. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Some calculation mistake I have made. रुक जाओ. Some calculation mistake that I have definitely made. Again, no meaning forcing it if I have made an error. So I should kind of do it like once more. 1681, 1156, 196, 121, and 16, sir. 6, 6, 6, 18, 20, 0. So 2 is here. 8 to 10, 15. 15, this is 25, 27. 2, 6 twos are 8, 9, 10, 11, 1. So that is 3. 3170 ही तो आया था, sir. 3170 only we got. So this is 3170 by 25, sir. Square root of this. Square root of this. Sir, ये नीचे 5 आया, ऊपर करो sir. 3170 ना. But again options कैसे इतना बड़ा आएगा sir? So there is some issue in the options. I'm 100% sure. There is some issue in the options. I'm quite certain कि some issue is there in the options. Just let me check this once ना. एक बार check करने दो ना sir. There is some issue in the options. Definitely कुछ issue है sir. कुछ issue तो मेरे को दिख रहा है sir. मैं or either there is some issue or something I am not getting. I might be doing something wrong. क्या wrong कर रहे हैं हम लोग? अरे यार, extremely sorry. देखो क्या ही कर रहे हैं. So divided by 5 I have not done. Because this 25 was there and I was thinking कि I have done the divided by 5. Because there are 5 numbers. Now I have to last में तो division करना है. So 3170 by 25 into 5, 125 होगा sir. 125 twos are 125 twos are how much? Because they are asking the variance only. I don't need square root. I can figure. Not SD we are calculating. So 125. क्या ही पागलों की तरह मैं कर. My mistake, brothers. Twos are 250. So 67 0. So 4 times 24 point something, sir. Option number A is the answer. Option number A is the answer. Huh? 3170. 250. 670. 4 नहीं जा रहा है ना. 4. So 5s are going na. 25 point something. Option C is the answer. My mistake. क्या है? देखो होता है ना. Like one question I got all ends beaten. And that too in a very easy question. If it was a good geometry question or something, then it was okay. An examination has 3 sections. A, B, C with marks per question 2, 3, 5. A candidate answers 5 questions from A, 10 questions from B, and aims for an average 4 marks per question. How many questions must he answer from section C to achieve this average? ठीक है sir. So 5 questions from answer from section A, meaning sir 10 marks. 10 from B, every question has 3 marks, meaning 30 marks. Sir, I don't know how many. Let's take X questions he has answered from C. So he will get 5 into X marks. So total in marks is 5X plus 40, sir. That should be equal to, now how many questions he has answered? 5 and 10, 15 plus X. Average marks he wants is 4. So that is your equation. So 5X, 4X. X is equal to 60 and this 20, sir. So 20 is the correct answer. Option D, sir. Option D, 20 is most definitely your correct answer. Perfect, sir. Next one. 3 cards are drawn with replacement. Array sabse badhiya, sir. Meaning, every time we are drawing, we have 52 cards at our disposal. We have all the cards. First card is heart. Sir, always do it like this. Sir, 52, 1 out of 52 is 52. Heart. So how many heart cards? 13. Because there are 4 sets having 13 cards each. Face cards, sir. Every deck or every type of card has 3 face cards. King, Queen, Jack. So there are 4 such decks. So 3 4s are 12. Now, third is a prime rank card. So prime number card. So number cards are 10 in every deck. Out of that, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. You see? So meaning 4 cards in every deck. There are 4 such decks, so 16 cards out of 52. This is your probability, sir. Calculate 1/4. Sir, 4. 4s are this. So this is 13 times, right? This is, sir, 4 3s are this, 4 13s are this. 4 4 cancels. 3 by 169. That's your answer. Option number A, sir. Option number A, 3 divided by 169. That's your correct answer, sir. Now, good question, this one. Very good question. You see how to deal. Cosec is giving us all the problem. Take it to that side. So this is sine 66 plus y. This will become 2 sine 67. And cosec, this will go that side, meaning it will become sine 23, sir. Sine 23 को I can write as cos 67. Sir, you see, this is the formula for sine 2a or 2x, 2 sine a cos b. So sine 66 plus y, that is equal to sine 67 into 2, 67 into 2, sir. So again, 66 plus y should be, sir, 60, 120, 134, sir. So y should be, now again, there is a problem, sir. There is a problem. If you do it like this, because I've taken a look at the options. If you do it like this, you will get the answer as 134 minus 66. You will say, sir, 8. This is 7. So this is 6. And you will say, sir, ये तो option में है नहीं. Sir, how to do it then? Sir, there is a catch. Small little catch, please understand. The catch here is, that's why I told you this is a very good question. Sir, you cannot write this line from this. Why? You should think sine 66 plus y. That is equal to sine, this is 134 degrees. This is equal to sine 134 degrees. So let's convert this into an acute angle. 180 minus 134, because 180, there will not be any change if you do that. So 34 and 80 meaning, sir, 46 degree. Now you calculate and you'll get y is minus 20 degree. Now it matches with your options, option D. Perfect. So again, you have to take both things into account. This is called general solution. In my batches, I had given you one formula for advanced stuff. He said if this happens, there is the general solution. So if sine x is equal to sine theta, you can write x is like x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into theta. This is called general solution for sine. Same there is for cos and tan. Chalo, next one. Mixture. Soda water. Former equal quantity soda water, meaning 1:1. Sir, alligation. You can take alligation on soda or on water. I'm taking on soda. So this is 3/5 soda, 4/9 soda, 1/2 soda. Calculate. Now many people like to multiply, but again, no need actually. 3/5, 1/2. So 3/5 and 1/2. This means 3/6. So it will be, sir. If you want to do it, sir, 5 is 5 into 2, sir, 10 is the LCM. And you will see 3 into 2, 6 and 5, meaning, sir, 1. Similarly, sir, 9 into 2 is the LCM. So 2 into 4, 8. 9 into 1, 9, sir. That means 1. It is also 1. Now 2 cancels. So the ratio will become 5:9. 5:9. Now they are asking mixture to how much with 3 liters of the former. So 5 parts is equal to 3 liters. So 9 parts, how much they are asking? So 1 part will be 5/3. Sorry, 3/5. Extremely, sir. 3 divided by 5, that will be 27/5 liters. 5 whole 2/5 liters. Option number A is most definitely your correct answer. Simple, sir. Very simple. Moving on. Simplify. I guess the easiest question of the entire paper. Sir, 7 6 are this. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 gone. So it is 25 square ultimately. 625 is the answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B. Correct, sir? Moving on. Last question. Mean of the data, median given, mode given. The mode of the number is 150% of the median. Okay, sir? So mode is equal to the empirical formula. 3 times median minus 2 times mean. They're asking what, sir? Mean of the data, median is given as 12. 3 into 12. They're asking the mean. So 2 into mean. And sir, what is mode? Mode is 150%, meaning 3/2. 3/2 of median. 3/2 of median is 12. So this is 6. That is 18. So 2 se cancel kar do, sir. 6, 9. So mean will become 18 minus 9, which is 9 itself. Option number B will be the correct answer for our last question. Perfect, everyone. So that was the whole thing. That was your whole solution. Now again, before I go, just a tad bit of information. The Diwali sale is live. So if you want to make any purchases, be it the foundation course, the new foundation batch is getting launched on 28th of October, just after Diwali. And the tier 2 batches are also live. So the next batch is starting from 24th. So again, you can definitely go for this super elite subscription, which will have access to everything. So this is the lowest price of the year because of the Diwali sale. It is valid till tomorrow. 22nd October will be the last day of this Diwali sale. So again, if you want to make any purchase, that will be definitely the best time to make this purchase. With that being said, that will be it for this class. So again, thank you so much to joining me during the Diwali days. So again, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new session because Diwali is over today only. So again, tomorrow, and then we'll continue with our preparation. So till then, take care. Thank you so much. If you have liked the session, please do hit that like, and I will see you guys in the next session tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye bye from my end.